Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Vusumuzi Matlala and the co-accused, this case has been postponed again to the 11th, guys. Because the state is just like, you know what, Tina, we are still thinking on this guy. He can't come out of jail. While Yena is just like, you know what, instead, yeah, I'm going to appeal me a high court and gas. You don't know me. The state actually needs some time to add other charges because remember on the charges of Vusumuzi Matlala, ne-entourage yakhe laba aboshwa nayo, including his wife uTsakani, bayabafaka nabo lapho. But with him is mostly that whole thing yokuthi he tried to delete uTeboho Thobejane, and then the money laundering was also the main thing on his charges, but they wanted to add some more things. But there's other cases in Littleton in Pretoria, there's other 2 cases. So the state, what they want to do, they want to centralize all these cases basically in a way ngathi bawenza ibe one case, so that when they talk about all of them in one go. So this is why they needed a postponement. So the state basically saying that he has 2 more cases that he's actually involved in. Oh, I was thinking, and look at this guy. I really don't believe with him and no. Got this only for Vusumuzi, they are ever gonna get bail. Even if it goes to high court, there's just too much at stake. There's a lot going on. The state actually did clear the whole thing of him, uMatlala, ukuthi he would be appealing at the high court for the fact that he's being denied bail quite a few times now. And then the case was again postponed to the 11th. It's like, so you guys you just want to keep me in jail, basically. And then he also said uMatlala ukuthi yena he never tried to unalive uTeboho Thobejane, who's since fled the country. Basically, she is fearing for her life. She stays, I don't know where. Aphike uKurt Matlala, he denied everything. He was just like, I never tried to unalive that person. In fact, he called me to say ukuthi mina my VIP protection services must protect her. And then uTeboho turns around and say, no, when I called you, I was calling you out. Why would you do that? Why would you send people to unalive me? Don't lie and say mina ngakufonela to protect me. Why would I do that to myself? As it says now, I'm on the run because of you. I'm fearing for my life. So the state basically is arguing that he is a flight risk, this guy. That's like the first reason why he can't get bail, because he is danger to society. And that whole thing futhi ID, angithi akhomba by ID yakhe yaseSwaziland is also a problem. So NPA was just also specifying leyo nto ke vele ukuthi he is appealing to high court. So NPA was just like, I know hamba again, nathi while we are busy adding other things on your case anyway. In any case vele ngeke uzuphume ebail noma ungaze uzuhambe uye high court umgulu ukuthi anyway. Because vele NPA did actually mention ukuthi no, we are going to oppose the bail. He told us state vele ukuthi he's going there, but we just like, we don't care, we have a case. Because he's like, why am I being kept in jail? Remember last month he came up with a story ukuthi une asthma, because this guy like, remember ngaze ngathi uthunye uThabo Best la mina ngaba diabetic for a day. Tell them the same thing. I refuse to eat. Kabaku hunger strike. Tell them the same thing now. Uthi uphethwe asthma, you can't be with people. I mean, you remember guys, I even said the pump. They must just give him the pump. That's all they must do. Go back. You can't be outside this guy. Also, I mean, like right now. Also, state was just like, we are actually even surprised to go to why is he in the dock, this guy, because this guy is the same person who could have then went to Eswatini on foot. Well, that's why I was just like, get up, guys. I mean, and then he turned around and uMatlala wathi, so since when now do we trust Home Affairs as a country? Because we also know ukuthi labo bantu abekho right, and I respect Eswatini with all my heart. Why would I do that and have another ID? But man, you know what's crazy about that though? There was a time where he called his wife and said, Ena, send me my ID for tomorrow 20 umuntu waseSwazini. This guy, bruh, he's done it all. Get Matlala. Judge Prinsloo said Matlala is most definitely a flight risk. I'm not taking those chances by letting this guy go in the streets of South Africa. No, urathi eKhoshi Mampuru. Ehleli eKhoshi Mampuru no Thabo Bester and that Sabian DRUG Lord. You remember I told you about him. Ngosuka lekini Sabi uze la uzothengisa lezo zinto. Bathi ubesatshweza ilabe yazi ba which type ne lena mathathu nasebusweni that kind. Bahlala together they are friends. It's Khoshi Mampuru abahlale khona guys. We can't have them outside. Judge Prinsloo continued to say, no, Buti, you are actually a flight risking ngengizengwazi. The fact that you actually even have a private jet uzobaleka mhlawumbe Rio de Janeiro. Who knows? In Brazil, like, a second example, that's not what she said, but yeah. That's exactly how we're looking at it. Angavela baleke in the private jet yakhe. Ngapha, I guess also he has accounts angithi futhi Mauritius interest accounts there. Judge Prince was like, no, we can't take those chances. Ngomuntu kanjalo, this is not an ordinary criminal. He's like actually a serious mgulukudu of esgeleng. We can't have that. Akahlale ejele while states ihlanganisa into zabo, but they need another like 3 weeks to do that. We will see you on the 11th. It's actually about 3 to 4 weeks. We will see you on the 11th of November. Cause ngoba this is not an ordinary criminal. Any mistake, he will evade trial. Yeah. So nje uyasabisa lo muntu lo. And chances are guys angavele athathe leyo private jet ayofuna uTebogo. Kuyasabisa.